Have you heard about the incredible health benefits of bitter cola? Get ready to discover how this amazing nut can transform your life. In this video, we'll reveal the 10 surprising benefits of bitter cola that you need to know for better health. Stay with us until the end to learn how to incorporate this powerful ally into your daily routine. Let's start with the first benefit. Bitter cola is known to boost energy and vitality. Imagine feeling invigorated throughout the day just by consuming this powerful nut. Additionally, bitter cola has anti-inflammatory properties that help combat pain and swelling in the body. And it doesn't stop there. Studies show it can improve respiratory function, making it excellent for those suffering from asthma or allergies. Another incredible benefit is its ability to aid in weight loss. Yes, you heard that right. Bitter cola speeds up metabolism, helping you burn calories more efficiently. Did you also know that bitter cola can improve your digestive health? It aids in the production of digestive enzymes, relieving issues like constipation and indigestion. Furthermore, bitter cola is a powerful antioxidant, fighting free radicals and preventing premature aging. Who doesn't want younger, healthier skin? This incredible nut can boost your immunity, helping your body fight off diseases and infections. Additionally, it improves heart health by reducing bad cholesterol levels and promoting better blood circulation. And last but not least, bitter cola can enhance your cognitive function, boosting your concentration and memory. Impressive, isn't it? Now that you know the 10 surprising benefits of bitter cola, it's time to take action. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing health and wellness tips. Leave a comment below sharing which benefits surprised you the most and how you plan to incorporate bitter cola into your routine. And don't forget to click the link in the description to discover incredible products that can further enhance your health. Let's embark on this journey to a healthier life together.